Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're gonna look at how we can check the ledger of our customer. So first we need to navigate to contacts from our main menu. Then we need to navigate to customers. Here we can see all the list of customers that we have in our CloudBiz software. So we need to search the customer name. So as we can see that we have just found out our customer. So we need to click on actions that is presented in the first column of all the rows of customers. So we click on it and then we click on ledger link. So first thing we need to do is to select the date range. Then we need to click on location and then we need to click on banking ledger. So here we can see the entire ledger of our customer. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.